Okay, coming up next, we're gonna hear more on the master degree of management. And here with us today, we have the director of Master of Management program here with us to talk about this program. So take it away. สวัสดีครับอาจารย์
สวัสดีครับ Okay, thank you, Kun Oat, and hello everyone. Okay, welcome to Chulalongkorn Business School once again. So at the moment ago, you may hear about the information from the PhD program. So right now, let me introduce my program, the program. Okay, so let's start with my presentation. Okay, our program is the Master of Management program. Right, we study in the major in the international business management. So our vision, we prefer to aspire to build a global business leader who can take on the international challenges and opportunity of the 21st century. Okay, so our program is international program. So we do have a lot of international students coming in. And also we do have a lot of exchange students coming in to share the experience in the class as well. So inspired by our Chulalongkorn Business School missions, our program try to provide the education that build the student to have the global mindset and have their capabilities to excel and act on the responsibility to the competitive business environments. So let's start with our structure of the program. So you may curious that program, what is the difference between program and MBA program? So as I mentioned before, the program, we focus much more on the international business management. Okay, so if you prefer to do business import, export, if you prefer to do the strategy in the international perspective. And also, if you prefer to do the business in international business, so you may think about our program. We do have 36 credit hour, and our program has 2 years for complete the program. We have no requirement for GMAT or CU Best, okay? And also, we have no minimum GPA. We do require just only 1 year working experience. And based from our database, the average age of our student is around 26 to 27 years old, and the average working experience around 3 years. So let's talk about the requirements that you need to provide for us to get into the program. Yes, for the transcript and also like the, the test for English proficiency. Okay, we do require, you can choose any of them, CUTEP, TOEFL or IELTS, to recommendation letter, and also the copy of the certificate of employment, and also the statement of purpose. So let's see about the background of our student in the past. Here is the background of the bachelor degree of them. You can see that our program has diversified a lot of field of study in the bachelor degree. Majority is in business and social science, but not limited to this, because we also have the students that have the background from the technology, science, and other field as well. In terms of the university, our students in the past, their majority come from the public university, but also some of them also come from the private university and the foreign university. So in this case, you can see that we have the full-time student that's coming in from our foreign university to join us in the class as well. So you're going to have the atmosphere of the international classes. And also you're going to have like the exchange about the experience, exchange about the knowledge, and also be the partner, sharing activity with our friends and our students in the class. Also, if we break down into the student industry, right, in the past, you can see that we have the various backgrounds. logistics, manufacturing, education, IT technology. So we do have a lot of field of the student, even though like the, in the airline business, or some of them are doing the business as their family business. Then they also join us as the student in the program as well. So after you hear and see about the structure of our program, let's talk about the curriculum a little bit. So as I told you that we do have like the 36 credit hour. So in this case, you're gonna have like the 30 credit hour for the coursework that including about the required course and also the elective courses. And we do have like the independent study 6 credit hours. For the curriculum breakdown, you can see that before you start in fall, in August, 2 months early in June and July, all the students have the required to take the foundation course. So every student they do require to take the foundation courses that you can see. Many of the foundation courses will help prepare them to have like the experience in the business and also the in the finance, accounting, and also the marketing as well. And the term fall start in August. You're gonna start in the first course that would be the very important course. This is the International Business Management. This is like the backbone of our program. And you're gonna have like the study in other courses such as international logistics. You study about the international legal and also the comparative management and cross-cultural. Also, the highlights of our program is in the second semester, start in spring, because in the second semester, you're gonna require to take the course of international entrepreneurship as an elective courses. Based on this course, you're gonna have the chance to have the study trip to Europe. Normally, we take around 7 days to 10 days. And honestly, students they may continue stay more than this after they finish the study trip. So the study trip is involved about doing the international entrepreneur. So we have the partner, the RWTH Aachen University in German. So students gonna have the experience to sharing and make the presentation about the course. Have the experience to visit several places in the business field, and also have the experience to have like the buddy program, have the friends, German friends, and have the the experience to sharing with their friends about the culture as well. And after that, they're gonna have like a study back into Thailand in summer. So we start like the independent study 1, and also the in the 4th semester, they're gonna need to complete for the independent study 2 and finish in the next semester with the completely of the comprehensive exam. So our program have been well known with the international professor because 70% of our program taught by the international professor. Here are some of the professors that join and teach in our program. For example, Professor Dr. Marco Bettel from RWTH Aachen University in Germany, Professor Andrea Angelens from the University of Düsseldorf in Germany. We do have some professors in Asia as well, such as Professor Shin Man-soo from the Korea University or Professor Ken Chen from Taiwan. And also in the Oceania, we do have like the Professor Yu Wang from the Macquarie University in Australia. Here's some of the partner university that joining with us. So here you can see that we have the partner around the world in the United States, in the Europe, and in Asia, and also in Australia and New Zealand. So it means that for the student, they do have the experience to do like the exchange program. So the exchange program is provided for the student who prefer to have the international experience 1 semester. So we can have like the transfer credit hour from the course of seminar in international business and the course from the partner university that the student join as an exchange student. But by the way, the application requirement is also based on the requirement for that specific university partner as well. Okay. And from the exchange program, as I mentioned before, that we do have like the study trip. Here's some detail of the international field trip that we're going to go to Europe, as I told you that we're going to go to Germany. But also in the trip that we go to Germany, we're going to have the chance to visit Netherlands and Belgium. And the mainly focus, the highlight is we can have the chance to visit the European Union office in Brussels as well. Okay, so students gonna have the experience a lot, and they do have like the friends, and believe me that in the past they have like more than 2 or 3 couples that from Thai and German that's building up from this partnership. For the expense, same as the PhD program, right? So we have like the expense based on the tuition fee, and this is like the expense based on the field trip that is not included into your tuition fee. So here is some detail, right? And it's gonna have the time to go to Germany in April during the Songkran festival every year. This is the activity that I mentioned, buddy program, international day, and also the field trip to Europe, and also visit the European Union office. We also provide students with the other activities such as some guest speaker from the worldwide university to our class, and the students also have the chance to have the field trip in domestic trip, right? Like in the course of international logistics as well. Go to Lamshabang, go to like the Mataput port, something like that. So here's the tuition fee that says. We do have the overall 2 years of the program. Thai student for around 400,000 baht, and for non-Thai student around 700,000 baht. Okay, so I think I have provided you on the overall of our program. So if you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact our staff or even though me. So here the slide to show about our contact of our program. We do have like a Facebook page, we do have like a website, and also email. So feel free to contact us. And thank you, welcome everyone. So hope to see you all in program. ขอบคุณครับคุณโอ๊ต
ขอบคุณครับ Thank you very much, Assistant Professor Dr. Thira Chawankun, Director of MM Program or Master of Management. Such a truly international program. Not only do we study from the renowned professors from all over the world, but we also have an opportunity to connect with our friends from different countries and have a chance to do some kind of exchange program and things like that. So that was a wonderful, wonderful opportunity. So don't miss this one.